Oh, be Jacqueline to Lily.
Lily la, kerang chula kapo ye be.
Chula kapo ye. La ye. Chula kapo ye.
Kerang coffee la kapo ye be.
Ne. Coffee la kapo ne.
Kerang kare la kapo ye.
Chula kapo ye.
Kerang chula kapo ye, coffee la kapo ye.
Chula kapo ye.
Oh, be that's right. James Karna lang ito. James Karna. Lily.
Yes.
Oh, James Karna. Lily to me.
Okay. Kerang chula kapo ye be.
Na you not chula be kapo ye.
Kerang coffee la kapo ye be.
Na me na coffee la siang kapo me.
Kerang la kapo ye. Hale la kapo ye.
Na chula kapo ye.
Kerang chula kapo ye. Coffee la kapo ye.
Na chula kapo ye. You got this point, okay? Kapo ye is in there. So, with that one, you practice this later, okay? So, we learn few vocab here. Okay, number one, okay, object, la. So, basically, it becomes like this. See here, I, water, two. La is two, right? So, I, water, two. Then, gabo is likeness, exist. So, that's the translation. Okay? Or have, you can say. You can exist or you can say have. Okay? So I have the likeness to water. That's how Tibetan language works. I have the likeness to water. That's why you need la. Nga su la gabu ye na. Nga su la, coffee la. Nga kerang la gabu ye. I like you. Nga kerang la gabu ye. Nga ngarang la gabu ye. I like myself. Nga ngarang la gabu ye. So la is necessary, is a particle. Okay. So we learn this. La. Number two, dung la gabuye. Okay. Dung story. Dung la gabuye. Dung la gabuye. Number three, yela gabuye. Okay. You can just shout, by yourself. Yela gabuye.
Yela gabuye.
So gabuye is you must say this. Yela gabuye.
Shela gabuye.
Mentok la gabuye. Number four, mentok.
Mentok la gabuye.
Although it's written mentok, but there is a liaison going on, so it becomes a nasal sound. Mentok la gabuye.
Mentok la gabuye.
Then cha la gabuye.
Cha la gabuye.
And hecha. Tibetan T. Now there's the umlaut. Pa, right?
Hecha.
Then chatang.
Chatang.
Okay, tang is more like a soup. You know, the soup of tea. So chatang is black tea, yeah? Chatang la gabuye. And cha ngarmo. Ngarmo is sweet, yeah? Cha ngamo la gabuye.
Changarmo la gabuye.
Ngamo la gabuye. So because nga has a prefix ma. Nga becomes nga. Okay? Cha ngarmo la gabuye.
Changamo la gabuye.
Then hell. Okay, hell. Hell la gabuye. So you see here, because la, we never said hal, it's L sound, right? La, L, right? L we have learned this, yeah? So we look here, here, la. Suppose 41. 41 is not al, it's a L, right? So that's why here, L is here. L, not hal. Okay, so X is the vowel sound. La gabu. Okay. Any shala gabu.
Shala gabu.
Sha is need. Any flash need samala shala gabu. Then mar butter, right? Mar la gabu.
Mar la gabu.
Then samba, Tibetan food. Samba la gabu.
Samba la gabu.
Ma kola gabu. Kola.
Kola gabu.
14 mola gabu.
Mola gabu.
Kola gabu me, mola gabu ye, like that. Then it's heppa la gabu ye.
Heppa la gabu.
Then okay is Tibetan language, spoken language. Okay la gabu ye. Then it's nangche Buddhism. Nangche la gabu ye. Nangpa Buddhist, right? Nangpa la gabu ye. 18.
Nangpa la
gabu. So Nangpa is insider, right? Insider. Then Kupa la gabu ye.
Suppa la gabu.
Any kind of murus, especially we call it kupa, yeah? Kupa la gabu. Okay? Then number 20 is Jaya la gabu.
Jaya la gabu.
Okay, so now here we learn this sound today, right? Harata. I has a prefix ha, right? So it becomes ja, right? Ja, Dukya. So this is the sound. Ja plus a sound, right? Ja plus a sound, right? This is sa here. 16, number 16 underneath sa. Yeah. So the a is the sound comes here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah la gabu.
La gabu.
Kila gabu. Kila gabu. Kila gabu. Any shini la gabu. Shini number. Okay, now degree of your likeness is underneath. Gabu here. Okay. Is for example. Cheta. No 24. Cheta. 25. Okay. And 26 is Halepe.
Halepe.
Haleba is Taru. You surprisingly, Haleba is very surprised. Halepe. And then Toksam. 27 Toksam. And the next is Oath. This more. Oath gabu. Then Sheta gabu me. Not so much, yeah. Sheta
gabu me.
Much Sheta. Number 29. Kene. Okay, not at all. Kene gabu me. Negative, right? Sawane. Yeah, ini Nangshin.
Jaga Nangshin.
No, Jaga Nangshin like okay. So listen to the recording again, okay? And you practice yourself. Now this is for first, right? Now as I explain group and your just business and general, right? For gabu your lana is general information. Like for gabu duk lana, I know Okay, I've seen that he likes water here. So Duk and Yore, as explained before, is always same. One Duk is always witness that you have seen it. It's first hand information. Yore is general information. This one. Okay, now we learn this in the Hong Chula Gabut. Duk, we learn this. Okay, Hong Chula Gabut. This is now that means I know that he or she likes water. Okay. Hong Chula Gabut.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabut.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabut.
Hong Chula.
Okay, one by one. Tanya.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Okay, I go Roxana. Mauritius.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Good. Lily.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Okay, then is James. James Hakumatum. Okay, Jacqueline. James, okay, James. James, repeat. Hong Chula Gabuduk. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Jacqueline.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Daniel.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Rajula.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Roxanne. Are you there? Stella, are you there? Okay, Roxanne.
Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
So this is a statement, okay? Another statement is Hong Chula Gabu Yore.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Okay, now look here, listen to the pronunciation, although it's ye, okay, because it's very difficult to say Hong Chula Gabu Yore, it's very difficult. So this becomes just yo in speaking. Okay, it's not ye. It's easier to say yore. Just yo, not ye, umlaut, no umlaut here, okay, when speaking. Hong Chula Gabu Yore, it's very difficult to say. So you can say yore. Okay. Hong Chula Gabu Yore. Repeat.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Gapu Yore.
Oh, very good. Hong Chula Gabu Yore, Lana, it's very odd. Tibetans never say that. Yeah. Hong Chula Gabu Yore, it's very difficult to say. So Yore. Okay. Hong Chula Gabu Yore. Repeat. Hong Chula Gabu Yore.
Hong Chula
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Very good. So we have two statements. Yeah. So we learn the first statement. Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Hong Chula
Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Ladu.
You must enjoy while you are saying this, You say, Gabu like that. You must enjoy. Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Gabuduk.
Okay. Now Duk becomes Duge, right? Hong Chula Gabu Duge. Repeat.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Gabuduk.
Chula Gabu Duge.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabu Duge.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Gabuduk.
Ladu.
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 Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Ladu. Hong Chula Gabu Do.
Ladu. Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Good. Next, negative sentence. Hong Coffee La Gabu Duge.
Hong Chula Gabuduk.
Hong Coffee La Gabu Duge.
Hong Coffee La.
Gabuduk.
Hong Coffee La Gabu Duge.
Hong Coffee La Gabuduk.
Gabuduk.
Book opposite is Mindu, right? Book opposite is Mindu. Not Mindu.
Mindu.
Mindu. Not Mindu.
Mindu.
Can't hear. Not Mindu.
Mindu.
Coffee La Gabu Mindu.
Coffee La.
Mindu.
Not Mindu. Coffee La Gabu Mindu.
Lamindo.
Con coffee la gapu mindu.
Mindu.
Okay, now see question. Kong karela gabodo.
Con karela gapu.
Karela kapudu. Kapudu.
Kong karela gabodo.
Kong karela.
Kapudu.
Good. Kong karela gabodo.
Con karela gapu.
Karela kapudu.
Kong chula gabodo.
Con chula gapu.
Kapudu.
That's a statement. Kong chula gabodo.
Kong chula kapudu.
Chula kapudu.
All questions. Kong chula gabodo. Coffee la gabodo.
Chula kapudu.
Coffee la gapu.
Kong chula gabodo. Coffee la gabodo.
Con chula gapu.
Coffee la
Coffee
kapudu. Kapudu.
Kong chula gabodo.
con chula
Chula
gapu.
kapudu.
Chula kapudu.
So I'll start with Daniel. Daniel,
Yes.
Kong chula gabodo.
Kong chula laduk. Kong chula kapudu.
Kong coffee la gabodo ge.
Lamindu. Kong coffee la kapumindu.
Mindu
Mindu.
chula gabodo ge.
Lamindu. Kong coffee la kapumindu.
Good. Kong karela gabodo.
Kong chula kapudu.
Kong chula gabodo. Coffee la gabodo.
Kong chula kapudu.
Yes, to Jacqueline.
Okay. Kong chula kapudu ge.
Ladu. Kong chula kapudu.
Kong coffee la kapudu ge.
Amindu. Kong coffee la kapumindu.
Kong karela kapudu.
Kong chula kapudu.
Kong chula kapudu. Coffee la kapudu.
Kong chula kapudu.
Hey, Uncle. Jacqueline to James.
James la. Kong chula kapudu ge.
James is not working. Lily.
Lili la. Kong chula kapudu ge.
Ladu. Con chula gapu.
Kong coffee la kapudu ge.
Lamindu. Con coffee la gapu mindu.
Kong karela kapudu.
Con chula gapu.
Kong chula kapudu. Coffee la kapudu.
Con chula gapu.
Hey, Uncle. Lily to Mauritius.
Malaysia con chula gapu du ge.
Mauritius la.
Ladu. Kong chula gabodo.
Con coffee la gapu du ge.
Ladu. Lamindu. Kong coffee la gabumindu.
Con karela gapu du.
Kong chula gabodo.
Con chula gapu du. Coffee la gapu du.
Kong chula gabodo.
Hey, Uncle. Mauritius to Spain.
Setelah Kong chula gabodo ge.
Laduk con chula gapu du.
Ano. Kong coffee la gabodo ge.
Lami du coffee la gapu mindu.
Okay, Roxanne, wait. Ni mare. La Mindu.
Du.
Mindu.
Con coffee la gapu mindu.
Kong karela gabodo.
Con chula gapu du.
Kong chula gabodo. Coffee la gabodo.
Chula gapu du.
Kong chula gabodo.
Con
Roxanne.
chula gapu du.
Roxanne to Dadona.
Jayden? Yes.
Kong chula gapudu ke?
Laju kong chula gapudu.
Kong coffee la gapudu ke?
Kong coffee la gapu mindu.
Kong kare la gapudu.
Kong chula gapudu.
Kong chula gapudu coffee la gapudu?
Kong chula gapudu.
다변이 나라 인다. 이 나라.
Kela kong chula gapudu right? Dupe.
나도 콩술라 가보도.
Kong coffee la gapudu be.
난 민도 콩 커피라 가보 민도
Kong curry la gapudu.
콩술라 가보도.
Kong coffee la gapudu. Chula gapudu.
Because the first natural 콩술라 가보 again. All question. 가져나.
Kong chula gapudu. Coffee la gapudu.
콩술라 가보도. 아고도 I got this point. So 가져나. 콩술라 가보 열에배.
Yore. Kong chula gapu yore.
콩 커피라 가보 열에배.
Kong coffee la gapu yo mari.
Negative no. ला यो मारे
La yo mari. Kong coffee la gapu yo mari.
콩 가리라 가보 열에.
Kong chula gapu yore.
콩 술라 가보 열에. 커피라 가보 열에.
Kong chula gapu yore.
Daniel.
Kong chula gapu yore.
때.
La Yore.
Yore de.
Ah,
Kong coffee la gapu yore de.
La Yomare. Con Coffee la Gabo Yomare.
Kong curry la gapu yore.
Con Chula Gabo Yore.
Kong coffee la gapu yore. Kong chula gapu yore. Coffee la gapu yore.
Con Chula Gabo Yore.
양고 두 Jacqueline.
Okay. Con Chula Gabo Yore.
때.
Ayo.
Yes. Daniel again ask the question.
Okay. Con Coffee la Gabo Yore.
Chula first.
Daniel from the beginning. Yes question.
Okay, yeah. Con Chula Gabo Yore.
Ayo. Kong chula gapu yore.
열에.
La yore. Kong chula gapu yore.
Con Coffee la Gabo Yore.
La yo mare. Kong coffee la yo mare.
가보.
Gapu yo mare.
Con Care la Gabo Yore.
Kong chula gapu yore.
Con Chula Gabo Yore. Coffee la Gabo Yore.
Kong chula gapu yore.
양고 두 릴리.
Lili la. Kong chula gapu yore be.
La Yore. Kong chula gapu yore.
Kong coffee la gapu yore be.
La Yomare. Kong cafe la gapu yomare.
Kong curry la gapu yore.
Kong chula gapu yore. Gapu yore.
Kong chula yore. Coffee la yore. Kong chula gapu yore. Coffee la gapu yore.
Kong chula gapu yore.
양고 두 홀리시야.
메샤라. Kong chula gapu yore de.
La Yore. Kong chula gabu yure. Gabu yure.
콩 가베라 가보 요래래.
La yomare. La yomare. Kong coffee la gabu yomare.
콩 가베라 가보 요래.
Kong coffee la gabu yure.
Chula.
Sorry. Kong chula gabu yore.
콩 슈라 가보 요래. 거세라 가보 요래.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Hey, Abu. To Roxanne.
Dosala. Kong chula gabu yore de.
Roxanne, open your audio.
Dosala. 거기 두개.
Yeah, to me.
Gela.
No.
Kong coffee. Kong chula gabu yore de.
Na yore. Kong chula gabu yore.
Ale. Kong coffee la gabu yore de.
Na yomare. Kong coffee la gabu yomare.
Ale. Kong karela yore.
Karila, what?
Ale la yore.
Where is gabu like?
Kong kare what?
Kong Karila, like. What is like in Tibetan?
What do you mean?
What is like in Tibetan?
Like gabu.
Then use that.
Kong karela gabu yore.
No, the Kong Karila gabu yore. Kong chula gabu yore.
Kong chula yore.
Gabu.
Okay. Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee gabu yore.
La.
Gabu yore.
Chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore. Repeat.
Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore.
Some statement in the tune. Okay.
Okay. Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore. Okay. Roxana.
La
Kong chula gabu yore be.
la yore kong chula gabu yore.
Kong coffee la gabu yore be.
La yomare kong coffee la gabu yomare.
Kong Karila gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Dania.
Daniela?
La.
Kong chula gabu yore te.
Kong chula gabu re.
There,
La
Mara.
re.
Yes.
La yore kong chula gabu yore.
Kong coffee la gabu yore te.
La yomare kong coffee la gabu mare.
Yo Mare.
Yomare.
Kong gare la gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore. Kong chula gabu yore pe. Kong coffee la gabu yore pe.
Yomare. Kong coffee la gabu yomare.
Kong kare la gabu yore pe. Yore.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore. Coffee la gabu yore.
Kong chula gabu yore.
Hey. Yeah. So now many of you are speaking like Tibetan. I'm happy.
Big joke.
normally here I just repeat this and then you have two corners and then you just get a lot of practices. But on internet it's very difficult, right? So you must find a way to partner, and then when I teach, you must, is there any way? I don't know. One by one, it takes a long time. So anyway, James Karna, do you hear me? James Karna, do you hear me? Okay, so it doesn't matter. So shall we learn this? The superlative. Okay, we learn superlative. Superlative is very easy. Okay. So you have this noun complement and the superlative adjective. Okay, this is que. Very simple. Que. Okay. Que. Okay, que. It's easy, right? Que. And then we use a. It's like the. So it's really simple, right? So look here. Then we say number 2, yeah. In this class, you just put que. It is que. Que. So again, we use number 20 pronunciation. Que sound, right? Que is umlaut. Umlaut. Good. Good. Yakshe. Okay, yakshe. Good. Yakshe. Then dukshe. Dukshe. So I put opposite. Yakshe, dukshe. Okay, yakshe, dukshe. Good. Then number 3, Tungshe. And Ringshe. Tung, ring, yeah, opposite. Number 4, yeah, Mangshe. Nyungshe. Number 5 is Cheshe. And opposite is Tungshe. Okay, 6, Hoshe. Hoshe. And opposite is Ma. Mashe. Okay. And number 7, Dushe. And opposite is Geshe. Okay. Number 8, Hashe. Hangshe. Yeah, same sound as Then number 9 is Bomshe. So here we're not talking about liquid. Okay? We also say thick liquid, We're talking about the type, Bomshe. Bom, like Hashe. Right? Then number 10, Pukshe. Cook in terms of book, cook, take care. Okay? And Chapshe. Chap, very thin, like paper. Then Ngarshe. Now we have to take it down over the, Okay. Then you have Yakshe. Yeah, it's not the opposite. You say it's a fat, sometimes you use fat food, Yak is all related with meat or flesh. Okay, so For example, like animals and human beings, then you say the fat, yeah? Dakshe, kamshe. Okay? Kamshe, kambu. Then chukshe, 13.
Chukche.
Choshe. Over there is chok.
Kyoshe.
Then shenshe.
Genshe.
Yeah, youngest. Then over there is genshe.
Genshe.
Gen, like genla, right? Gen.
Genshe.
Then number 15 is ngashe.
Ngashe.
Early, right? Not to delay, right? Yeah, ngashe.
Ngashe.
Then chishe.
Chishe.
Number 16, delshe.
Delshe.
And then yok, fastest is yokshe.
Yakshe.
Then is number 17, dishe.
Jishe.
Then yangshe.
Yangshe.
Yangshe, okay? Number 18, ishe.
Ishe.
I'm happy like that. Ishe. Then, yeah. Over there is dukshe.
Dukshe.
Good. Then 19 is this here. Shimshe. Over there, yeah, just put mishimshe. That's funny. Then gashe.
Gashe.
Nigashe.
Nigashe.
Yeah. Then it karshe.
Karshe.
Yeah. Nakshe.
Nakshe.
Yeah. Nane deshe.
Jeshe.
De.
Deshe.
Because of the prefix, it becomes za. Ha becomes za, right? Deshe.
Deshe.
Then you say dok neshe.
Dok neshe.
Good.
Dok neshe.
So we'll also learn some here. Nye chena. 23. Nye chena. Okay, this is very common. Nye chena. Okay, from my point. Then nye samsu chena.
Samsu chena.
So yeah, sound is
Samsu chena.
Look here, this one. Look at this, look at this. See here, sound. Now we do here. So, ha and something, from my point of view. Next 25 is chena. Or me chena. So she, from her point of view, from his point of view, her chena. Me chena means from her point of view. Okay? So then 26 is Shejogi Hogne chena. From religious point of view.
Shejogi Hogne chena.
Okay, so you can correlate this kind of thing. What we learn is okay, from our viewpoint area. Is that? So
could you please repeat the 26?
26. Shejogi Hogne chena. Three sounds. Shejogi Hogne chena. Shejogi Hogne chena. So together, Shejog is phonics. From the political viewpoint, Subsig is phonics. Izog is phonics. From social point of view. Okay, like that. You use this and then Hena. Okay. So what time is it? Do you have time or shall I stop here?
I have some more time.
Yeah, okay. Do you have time? Everybody has time?
5 o'clock.
We have time. I have time.
It's after midnight for me, so I'm quite tired now.
Okay. So any questions?
Yes. What is the difference between bomb and tuk?
Bombo is more like this, Yugu bombo. Okay. Yugu bombo.
Yeah.
I'm saying yugu tuku, yeah. Yugu bombo. It's more like this. You can say yugu bombo. Yugu bombo. So in English it's thick, right? But you don't say dep bombo, yeah. See? Dep. We never say dep bombo. Dep tuku.
Okay.
That's thick also in English, right? So can you differentiate now? So bombo is more like a round shape, round shape. Then
Yeah, round shape. Okay.
Bombo. Tuku is the shape, but it's not liquid. In liquid, you say, oh, it's a thick thing. We never say that. Then we use harpo. This is another word, harpo. Yeah. Next, any questions? Any questions? Rajula, you are there?
Sume.
Ani Daniel, you are?
Chivame.
Jacqueline?
Chivame.
No, so James? Lily, you are there?
Chivame.
Ngala Chivame, we don't do structure, right? You lame. Yeah, Mauritius, you are there?
Ngala Chivame.
Okay, I will rock
Lame Chubame.
You are there, Puchena, Taniala.
Rame na Suame.
Nala.
Nala Suame.
I'm sorry, I did not know how to record. I just recorded only the spoken. So I will record this, okay? I'll record this again, listen carefully. I'll record it, okay? Yeah. Ha. Ba. Wa. Ha. Ba. Ya. Ha. Ya. Twa. Number 10. La. Then ka. Wa. Kawa. So I'll again. Ha. Ba. Wa. Ha. Ya. Ya. Ha. Ya. Twa. La. Then kawa. I hear a lot of noise. I'll mute them. Yeah? Please mute this. Okay. Ha. 1. Ha. 2. Ba. 3. Wa. So ha. Ba. Wa. 4. Ha. Ya. Ya. Ha. Ja. Ra. 10. La. Then ka. Wa. Kawa. Okay. Next sound, I'll read it all. Okay. A, I, U, S, O, A, I, U, S, O, ang, ing, eng, ong, e, I, U, E, Ö, N, in, en, up, I, U, F, O, am, in, em, om, R, ir, ur, or, L. What do you want? Il, ul, L, L, then sa, as a suffix, E, I, U, E, Ö. Okay? So learn these sounds and then try to use different sounds from sa. Okay? So I'll repeat sa. kit kuk ke kok tak kit kuk ke kok tang king kung keng kong ke kit kuk ke kwe ken kin kun ken kwen kap kit kuk ke kok tang king kung keng kong kar kil pur ker kor kel kil kul kel kwel ke kit kuk ke kwe. So then you try the ka like that. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for coming to the class. And we'll stop here. Okay.
Thank you.
Regina.
Thank you.
Jangan salah jeyung, tapi malah jeyung. Jeyung tadi deh, tapi malah.
Kopen pala yung.
So sama lah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Stop recording.